What's up, guys? It's me again, Mining Kaspa. Okay, got my 3 rigs there, and I got that 1 rig over here, which I took some of the GPUs off from there because I had gotten another motherboard, and I which holds what is it, 12, 13 GPUs, but you know, I squeezed them in this rig here. So besides that, remember yesterday when I told you about I was trying to hit a block. I went solo for a few hours from like what was it, by I forgot, like 8 a.m. or something like that, 8 a.m. or 6 a.m. one of those hours. I think it was 8 a.m. yeah, I think it was 8 a.m. so it was like 8 a.m. and then I stopped mining about almost 5 o'clock or something like that, because I didn't hit a block, so I just quit. You know, I was like, you know what? After all that time, you know, I wasted power. So I don't know that pool. So what I noticed is I did hit a block at 4 something p.m. I hit a block. I actually hit a block, and I'll show you on the computer. I'm going to show you that I hit a block. And when I had put it back to pool mining, and then I was, you know, did like refresh or whatever, I looked at it later on, and then I noticed that I hit a block. So I got like 244 coins. So I'm going to show you on the computer that I did hit a block yesterday. But am I going to continue to pool mine? I don't know. It's sketchy. But I'm going to show you that I did hit a block right here. There you go. 244. And that was at 4:28 p.m. I had quit a little bit after that or something like that, and I went to regular mining. But I ended up shutting off some rigs, just, you know, to save some power or whatever. That's why you see this like really low. You know, I ended up shutting off like some rigs for the night. I didn't leave them like that. So as you can see there, you see that? Like I didn't want to keep it going, so I had to shut it off. But I just cranked it back again, but I'm not solo mining. So I'm doing about supposedly 8 point something gigahashes. So yeah, I did hit a block. Currently I'm just holding, how much Kaspa I have? About 3,334 Kaspa. That's all I pretty much have right now. You know, that I've been since I started mining Kaspa. But I've been like off and on it, you know, but I've been leaving like 1 rig on or whatever, because, you know, I'm mining other things, you know, and the power consumption with the other rigs and stuff like that. So I kind of like, this is like for me like secondary, it's not primary mining on this one. But I did hit the block, 244.71. Am I gonna do it again? I don't know. You know, I gotta be ready for that, because I don't want to mine and, you know, for whatever hours and then just you know, pretty much burn a lot of electricity. And you know, I thought that's what was gonna happen. You know, me burn a lot of electric when I could have just mined it and got the same amount anyway, pool mining. But as far as Kaspa, I think Kaspa is gonna be like another Ethereum. You know, it's going to shoot up. That's, you know, don't take my word for it. You know, this is something I think that Kaspa might, you know, might shoot up, you know, up there with Ethereum. That's what I think. I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna hodl it. I'm gonna mine it, and I'm gonna hodl it. But, you know, and I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. You know, I kind of like Kaspa. You know, I like the fact that pretty much every month is like a halving, not a halving, but it's like kind of like a quartering or whatever. Like they remove a little bit that you can mine every month. I kind of like that idea. So like next month, you're not gonna be able to hit hit a block of 244. It's gonna be less than 244. Every month it keeps going down, 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 down. I kind of like that idea. But pretty much, you know, that's pretty much it, you know. So I don't know if I'm gonna get any more GPUs, you know, because I kind of stopped on getting GPUs because You know, I'm kind of going into these small ASICs over here. You know, see the ASICs that I got, these little small BTC miners. I got 4 of them now. I had the other one that was the smaller one. I ended up selling that one because that other one had a small DAG file, and I just overlooked that, and I was like, I gotta get rid of this now. I wanted to get the 6 gigabit, I went to get the 6 gigabyte memory DAG files, and I still have my what do you call it? But I shut some of them off just to save some power for now. Even though these don't take a lot of power, because I'm focusing more on my other stuff that I'm mining. So I only have one of them running right now, which is mining Avian coin, and pretty much I had these all mining Avian coin. But I'm gonna alternate. You know, I'm gonna go back to Avian because I'm trying to get 1 million Avian. Right now, I almost got 700,000 Avian coins. As soon as I get 1 million, I'm gonna just totally stop getting Avian coin, and I'm going to move on most likely to Raptorium and try to get a certain amount there. I don't think I'm gonna get 1 million. I'm probably gonna try to go for like 300,000 coins there. As far as Kaspa, right now my goal is to get at least to 10,000 coins. Right now, that's my first step. Get to 10,000 because I got 3,300 and something. Get to that 10,000 point, and then I'll feel a little more comfortable, because right now things are looking good with Bitcoin and stuff like that, and things have been rising slowly, you know. And right now I just really need to hit this Kaspa, you know what I mean? So I might leave the Kaspa rigs running tonight, overnight, you know, maybe a couple of days, because I don't want to burn too much power, you know. I'm over here in New York. It's costing 16 cents kilowatt, you know, and that's kind of expensive. So, and I mean, I've been looking to go solar and figuring out something, you know, with the solar, and trying to figure that out. You know, I'm going through everything that I can think of. So that's pretty much it, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Boom. Peace out. Latest.